Hello, I just wanted to say before the video starts, I'm gonna mention in the video anyways, but, thank you for the whopping 30 views, and I know that's not a lot, but it is kind of a little bit for me, considering the fact I didn't expect us to get over 10 in the first place. That's, think about it, 28 people in a dark alleyway beating the crap out of you. Who could ask for more? Alright, anyways, I'm gonna shut up and let you get to the video, because I do enough talking already in there. Hello, everybody. We are back. I never thought I'd be making a part 2 to anything, but it seems like the 30 people, not even, it's like 28 of me making this. The 28 people that watched that last one seemed to like it for, 2 minutes. So, maybe I just gotta make this video 2 minutes long. We just skip half the video. Without further ado, let me just shut up and let's get along with things. Fuck you mean the cat is lurking around tonight? Okay. I don't think last time we went out this way. Hold shift to right. I don't know what that timer is, and I'm scared to figure it out. The only path is not always the right path. What the fuck does that mean? Hus. Ah! Jesus Christ. Holy shit. Sorry if the last video kind of looked shitty. I didn't realize, because the way my editing software works, it will not let me render videos. I've tried so many different things, but for the love of me, or for the life of me, I can't export anything. So I had to literally record over. I had to record over the video on OBS just to get the actual video out. So, and I guess something happened while I wasn't at my computer that makes it look all creepy and not creepy, like choppy and weird. I'll see if I can fix that this time. Probably, well. Yeah, that was actually kind of scary, the way he just popped up. But yeah, I'll see if I can fix that after this. So I'm gonna just try to do nice 3 and 4 for right now. Oh, he's in the room. Turn my back to him. That's the noise indicator. Boom. You see, I'm learning now. I'm learning. Yo, fuck off. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna far I'm gonna get with this game, but it was always the effort that I tried to beat it, couldn't. I shit myself in the making. I mean, who knows? Maybe let's be the game that I beat. The game isn't too hard, but just freaking me the fuck out. I saw this new channel pop up, LARP, not LARPiplier, but LARP Theory. Although LARPiplier is a very cool channel. LARP Theory is very funny. I like it. They uploaded a new video yesterday that I talking about LARPiplier, so it's like a LARPiverse now. I guess you could say it's a LARPiverse. I have no idea. And there's Markiplier, but they ain't got no LARPiplier. I think the only reason the last video was so long was literally just because that first night, and had me doing all sorts of crazy bullshit trying to figure out how to beat the night. I've never seen you come out of the middle before. Check both sides of the bed for cat. Reset the cassette. Go to the bed, see where he is. And boom. Reset the tape. And we're back. That sounded corny as shit. Never catch me saying something like that again. Okay, I don't know if the cat's gonna attack or not, or if he's just kind of here. If he just needs me to... You know, maybe that I'm not sick, maybe I'll sound a little less stuffy and whatnot. So maybe I'll try to do some voices. Just keep you guys entertained. Let's go. Alright. Thank fuck, dude. Alright, give me like 3 seconds to blow my nose. Alright, we're back. I don't know why every single flashback takes place in a stupid little arcade. Oh, hey, you again. I'm not saying that. My father just said that the puppeteer's puppet is a double puppet. It means it's both a string puppet and a vent. I can't, okay, it's not that I can't read that, it's literally just the lines. It's like making it hard to read. Ventriloquist. What? That ventriloquist, you mean? What? Well, they're good. Okay, I'm not, you know, fuck you. I'm not doing, I'm embarrassing myself by doing this. Yeah, that's the last guy that molested me. That's what he said. You sounded exactly like the last guy that molested me. I ain't that dumb. So, like, oh yeah, Kuroshi's back. Holy shit. Oh, it's you again. It's you. Yo, don't call me that. Don't call me that. You're about... I'm not... You know, I've never had good experiences with child mascots. You're gonna molest me! Yeah, there's no touching this time, bro. With a Highlander here. Where am I supposed to move? I don't think there is a specific spot you're supposed to hide in. You know, I'm gonna go hide near my dad. Skill as fuck. Oh, wait, no. Wait, no, we hide under Kuroshi's table over here. We don't get fucking murdered. Because, you know, Kuroshi he'll sense the third party energy and he'll stop it. And you'll... Oh! Fuck, I know that. I knew that was gonna happen. Why did that get me? I don't know, I just don't have, like, the voice to be doing, like, impressions and shit. Okay, we're walking down the long-winded path again. Stupid fucking cat. I mean, yeah, no, I'm just gonna do nights 3 and 4 today. And then we'll kind of see where that gets me. Dream trees grow when one becomes familiar with the unfamiliar. Let them serve as guides to let you know where you are. What the fuck does that mean?
What the fuck does that mean, Kobe Bryant?
Alright, we go up. This is, you know, my money. You know what? Shut up. I was gonna say something fucking stupid, but thank you for reminding me that I'm not a stupid little idiot. Yo, this fuck-ass rat. This fuck-ass rat keeps touching me. Okay. God, this annoying-ass rat, bro. Yo, that motherfucker's scurrying! Okay, you know what? Hold on. Give me 3 seconds. We're gonna find out if there's an actual end to these. Alright, I think okay. Oh, yeah, before I forget, credits to this guy. 150 subscribers, Z Shadow Eye. We're on night 4, so it would be this. He goes up. Oh, that's what we're supposed to do. Alright, you can go away now. No, browser, go away. Say go away, browser. Thank you. Alright. You have to just, or whenever you go near the rat, we just have to walk. Look at you, big ugly ass motherfucker. Okay. So I guess we go up. I don't know. I guess we go up. Oh, okay, so we have to go the way he's not looking. And not run. So we actually have to pay attention to where he's looking. Where's he looking? Okay, he's looking up, so we go this way. Okay, part of a newspaper article. Read it? Yes. A brand new horror film, Psychopath, starring has broken box office records in its first week. Everybody agrees that the starring actor has sold the performance of the psychopath, and no one else. I can't read this. You can't put this. You can't put two. Okay, you can't put one sentence into 2 different sentences. That doesn't work. Alright, we made it. I hope you die. Nah. I was gonna try to run with the rat. Just trying to see. I'm just trying to get to forget how. Oh my god, can I speak normally? Try to get an idea for how fast he is. think you're scary, mister. Think you're all that tough shit, you know? Now, what does this rock say? Dream trees will show you the path. Okay, where's the path? Is that pointing up? No, it's just branches. I guess follow the dream tree, I guess. And look out for that big bootied rat, bro. Why does the rat have a dump truck ass? Why? Where were you? Okay, I'm not doing all that. I'm not doing all that. Especially because I just talked about the rat and his dump truck ass. Alright, anyways, I think I'll just shut up and let this one play out. You know, I said I would let this one play out without me talking too much. I lied, I'm probably gonna talk a little bit. Be wrong. You know, I have to, like, enunciate my words. I don't know. By the way, y'all, it's just a general ask. This is just me asking, but please, if you guys have any tips for me editing shit like this, please give me them. I need all the feedback I can get, especially because there's that stuff. I know the cat's here. I think he's here. Okay, guess he just didn't show up. Do you have any tips for, you know, like editing videos, recording, or like settings for OBS I should have on? Yo, who's knocking? Yeah, like tips for recording on OBS. That any advice would just greatly help me at this point. I'll just like delete OBS, delete your channel. I don't know why that first time it didn't hit his head. Oh fuck, I forgot to get rat. Ah. I forgot to get rat. That's why. That's why the fucking wait, no, why was the thing tape tweaking? You know what? I do actually, you know what? I will ask upon the browser again. Browser. All right. Monsters. Monster cat. Cat behavior. Okay, so checked on you. Gonna look at this. All right. Editor, make sure to just, blur out my fucking Google accounts just cause I don't.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, no, I got you.
Shut up, editor.
What did I do? Shut up.
Fuck you.
No, fuck
I'm
you.
tired of your shit.
No, I'm tired of your shit. I'm editing your videos for free. I'll get shit from this. Fuck you.
Alright, I'm gonna shut my ass up now. I'm sure like 28 other people that watch my other video will love to watch this. Probably. Probably not. Probably. Maybe not. Maybe not.
Yo, shut the fuck up. What are you talking about?
Yo, who was that? Yo, I'm tweaking. Am I crazy, or was that just the most incessant banging ever for no reason? Yo, that was actually had me tweaking out. I saw him crawling on the bed. Couldn't do anything about it because the stupid fucking rat won't get out of my goddamn face. Retention game, like, this is just, I have to cut this down a lot. Okay, this motherfucker's trying to assert his goddamn dominance on me. Check both sides. Check under the bed. Yo! I'm tweaking out. I take a breather. You know what? And take it. You know what? I think since I don't know if this game has a night 6 or not, I'd say, you know what? We'll leave it here. Night 3. You know, we didn't make a good amount of progress, Dad. We'll say. Maybe I come back tomorrow. Maybe I finish recording this, or maybe this is the recording. I don't know. But I'd say it's a good spot to take it for today. I'm gonna let me finish this with a voiceover, because, you know.
Hey guys. Shut up, man! Shut up. No, fuck you, man. No, fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. No, it's not. I sound like I'm talking to myself. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I tried to put a bit more effort into this one. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. And I'm running out of time, so see you in the next one, hopefully, maybe.